In trading, there are 5 possible order types. They are live buy limit, buy stop sell limit, and sell stop. Live order is the buying or selling whatever exchange rate is at that moment. Now, if you place a buy, pending order, below the market price, that order is known as a buy limit. And if you buy a pending order above the market price, that is known as a buy stop. The difference between a sell stop and a sell limit. The sell limit is a sell, pending order that you place above the market price, while the sell stop is a sell, pending order below the market price. You may see here what it looks like in a chart.
Also, guys, please check my trading stats on my FX book. So it's trading account training 5 years. All links you can find in video descriptions. So use same broker and use this robot for free. So auto copy my orders and we both benefit. So you earn profit and I will earn commission from broker. Check links.